Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the SET School Learning Management System. Unit number 3, Class 3, Subject Mathematics. I am your math teacher, Amber Akil. The chapter 8, Shapes and Spatial Understanding. The topic is perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around a two-dimensional shape, or perimeter is the outermost boundary of any shape. How to find the perimeter? Find perimeter by counting the number of squares around a shape, and the second one is adding length and width and multiply by 2. This is the formula. If we have a rectangle and find the perimeter, so you have to first add the length and width, because the in rectangle shapes opposite two sides are equal. So if suppose that if we have 4 centimeter length, so opposite 4 centimeter length is also 4 centimeter. So we have to first add the length and breadth, and the breadth is 2 centimeter. So first we add 4 plus 2 is 6 and multiplied by 2 is 12 centimeter. The perimeter of rectangle 12 centimeter. If we have a perimeter given in the square and there is no unit given, so we have to just count the number of squares around the shape. For finding the perimeter of a square, length and length. Length and length means if we talk about the square, we all know that the 4 sides in a square are equal. So perimeter can be multiplied by 4 by its length. So 4 multiplied by length is equal to perimeter of a square. Suppose that if we have a square with 2 sides, so perimeter will be 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 8 centimeter will be the perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a rectangle. We know that in rectangle opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. This is a rectangle. If we have a length that is denoted by B is equal to 5 centimeter, so opposite length is also 5 centimeter. If we talk about breadth, that is A equals 3 centimeter, and the opposite breadth is also 3 centimeter, we can just add the length and breadth. We have 2 lengths and 2 breadths, so we have to add it twice a plus b plus a plus b. So a is 3 centimeter and b is 5 centimeter. Again a is 3 centimeter and b is 5 centimeter. So collectively the perimeter of the shape is 16 centimeter. Perimeter of a triangle. We all know that for finding the perimeter of any shape, we have to just add the sides. So the first side is AB, 3 centimeter. The second side of a triangle is BC, 8 centimeter, and the third side of a triangle is AC, 6 centimeter. We have to add it, and the answer is 17. Perimeter of triangle is 17 centimeter. Thank you so much.